Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to create unique URL for a Facebook page. So of course you have to make sure that you have your Facebook page here or you are logged into your Facebook page. To do that, you have to tap your profile at the top right corner and then see all profiles. And after that, you have to look for your Facebook page. So for this Facebook account, I don't have a Facebook page, so let me switch or log out first and open my other account and see my other Facebook page. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is my Facebook page. So if you go on the profile, you will see here that this is the URL of my Facebook page. So to do that, you just have to click your Facebook page name, and then this is the URL. And as you can see, it's not that really unique and it's kind of confusing. Or if you don't like this, or if you want to create a unique URL, then what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and look for settings. Okay, so go to the left side and tap settings. Okay, tap this one. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is loading, and then you have to scroll down again and then tap page setup. So under page setup, you will see here different options such as the name, the access, and then other things here. But you just have to go to general page settings. And in order to create unique URL, you just have to click this username right here and then type whatever URL or unique URL you want to use. It's very easy because if this URL or username is not available, then probably you will see this X icon, or you will see the X here. But if it's available, then probably you will see the check and they will notify you that this one is available. However, you have to make sure that your URL or the name that you have input here is the name that you want, because you cannot change it right away. So as you can see, if I copy the URL and then paste it, then it will take me directly to my page. So this is how you simply create a unique URL with your page. So as you can see, I have copy and then paste it, and that's it. So that's how easy it is to simply create unique URL for a Facebook page. Just go to settings and then go to page setup and then go to view name and then username and then change. As easy as that. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.